this is the loud side of the exhaust.
On the left.
When I click the valve, I click it on, it closes this side, and then all the exhaust goes through the stock perforated passenger side muffler. And then if you click the off button, opens it back up again. And then you get the straight pipe sound. And if you want to go close it up, just easy as one click.
Today we're in a 2011 BMW 335i. It's a rear-wheel drive version. It's a 6-speed. It's what you'd want if you were buying yourself a 335. But what's very cool about this is what the owner, Austin, has done to it. So this has a valved exhaust, and when it's open, it's pretty much straight piped. So we can make lots of snaps, crackles, and pops. Let's go take a ride through the city and listen to this bad boy.
See the pussy magnets working.
You guys all know Zach from Porsche of Westwood.
That's very funny. I think I picked the wrong controller because when you turn this on, it closes it. So it's like engage quiet mode. On.
So inside the car, it really doesn't drone at all. It's pretty, sorry, that was just an enormous hole, so we have to avoid like the third world roads that we have in Boston. But it doesn't drone. It's loud outside though, and you're gonna hear that in a minute when we get in a tunnel. But listen to this, just, you know, 5th gear. All right, so why don't you go ahead and close it while I'm wide open. Ready?
Okay.
All right, now open it back up.
Okay. Open.
And we'll go into the tunnel, make some burbles. sounded good. We call that the element of surprise.
That's a ridge line. The element's the square
I
line.
know, but I couldn't help it.
I get it. I got it. Thanks, Dad, for the joke.
All right, we're just gonna jump off here. Our friend Austin over here is developing kind of like a prototype of this exhaust so that way it can be easily sold as a kit and just go straight onto your car. So comment below if you're interested in what Austin's got. I'll try to put some contact information in for him. It has not been finished yet, but it's coming. I got my upshift pop on that one. All right, thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Those of you who are the M3 haters out there, I appreciate that you're watching this video because this one was for you. If you are interested in what is going on with these wild exhaust kits that Austin is building, comment below. We'll try to generate some interest in it. He's done a great job on this and a few other cars, so I'm definitely excited to see if more people get into this. It's remote controlled, hit the button, all done. Okay, get in.